Okay, so just jumping right in, I'm just going to take a light concealer. This is the Nika K concealer. And I just dab it on the back of my hand. And then I take a flat brush and apply it all over my eyelid. Now I'm just going to be taking my concealer brush and I'm just going to be blending that concealer out. Make sure to pat in light motions. Now I'm going in with my NARS translucent powder. You can go in with any translucent powder. Then I'm just going to be taking it on my, I don't know what you want to call this, a powder sponge. I don't know. I'm just going to be dabbing that all over the eyelid just to get it a matted flat base. Now I'm going to be going in with one of my oldies but faves, my Morphe James Charles palette. And I'm just going to start with that darkest pinkish shade. And I'm going to be applying it to my outer corners first. And then I'm going to work that pigment inwards and upwards. You want to take as less product as possible on the brush, being that this is such a vibrant color. Just because we can definitely work up the pigment. It's just super hard to blend, especially like keeping it in the same area with a darker shade. So make sure you just dust off your brush just to get any loose pigment and just pick up lightly. Now after I have worked up that pink pigment, I'm just going to take another light concealer. This is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. And I'm just going to apply some on the back of my hand. I like using this concealer as an eye base just because it does dry down matte, which works really good on the eyes. So yeah, I'm just going to be applying that all over my eyelid while my eyes are open just so you can follow your natural eye crease. And you just want to make sure you're going in with light pats and make sure that you're not like leaving any holes or anything. You want this to be as flat as possible. And now I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other eye. Now I'm just going to go in with this white pigment and I'm just going to be applying that all over the concealer. I just wanted to brighten up my eyes so I thought this white would have been perfect. And yeah. So again, I'm just taking that pigment on a flat brush and I'm just making sure everything is flat and blended. And then next I'm going to be taking a fluffy small eye brush and I'm just going to be going back in with that pink pigment. And I'm just going to be applying that all over to the edges just to give that a blend. I also went in with more of like a pinkish purplish shade just so it can be a little bit more vibrant. I loved how that pigment provided more depth for the eye. It was super, super nice. So yes, I am loving this eye. It's definitely giving Barbie vibes. Now I'm going to go in with my ColourPop pigment. This provided the perfect sparkle for my eye. I absolutely loved it, okay? It complemented that front so well. Now I'm going to be taking my LA Girls matte liner and I'm just going to be creating a small line above my eye to hide the lash band. And I'm also going to create a small wing. Now I'm just going to go in with my mascara just to clean up any fallout that happened on my lashes. Then I'm going to go in with that dark pinkish purplish shade that I put on my outer corners and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. Then I went in with the Inglot eyeliner gel. Of course, you guys know I live by this liner. I absolutely love it. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it.